Instead of buying this product, let me show you today how to sell it. This store operates using the dropshipping model and sells this product. Last month, it managed to generate $53,000 from this product alone, all without spending a single dollar on advertising. The secret lies in creating content on TikTok, where the store owner has an account with the store link in the bio and posts daily videos about this product, achieving millions of views. This product is sold for about $85, while its cost is approximately $38. This allowed for a very high profit margin, with over 740 orders successfully completed last month. Today we will learn step by step how to start dropshipping, build a professional online store, and find a supplier to source products at low prices and ship them to customers. Step 1. Register on Shopify and create a professional online store. You will find the registration link in the video description. Using this link, you will get a 3-day free trial, and your first 3 months on Shopify will cost only $1 per month instead of the full plan price. If you would like to run TikTok ads, you will find a link to register for TikTok business in the video description. With the current offer, if you spend $100 on ads, you will get an additional $100 in free credit. Step 2. Choose the supplier from whom you will source the products to sell in your store. Today we are talking about Zendrop. I will leave the link to the Zendrop app in the video description. Zendrop offers thousands of winning products and services such as auto fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. The first thing to do is install the app on your online store. After installing the app, go to Shopify, click on Apps and select Zendrop. From there, you can search for the name of the product you want to sell. You will find many products at different prices, and you can choose the one that suits you. To add this product to your store, click on Add to My Products. After that, go to My Products where you will find the product. Click on Review and Publish, and from there, you can edit all product details such as the product name, description, variations, and selling price. For example, you might set the selling price at $85. Here you will see the net profit per unit after accounting for shipping costs. Next, choose the images you want to display for the product on your store. Once you finish the edits, click Publish to My Store and then Confirm. After publishing the product will be added to the product list in your Shopify store. When you start receiving orders from customers, these orders will be sent directly to Zendrop. From there, you will need to add funds equivalent to the order cost and then click on Fulfill Order to ship product to the customer. Zendrop's free plan allows for the processing of up to 25 orders per month. If you need to process more orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan that provides unlimited order fulfillment. Step 3. You can start marketing your products in 2 ways. The first is to create a TikTok account, place your store link in the bio, and start creating daily content about the product you want to sell. The second method is to use paid TikTok ads through the link I left in the video description. In conclusion, this was today's step-by-step guide. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will respond to you. Goodbye.